Hello guys, for today's video we are going to troubleshoot a engine low power of a CV34 soil compactor. Using a makeshift container, we catch the fuel from the water separator. Using a ratchet and then a 13 millimeter socket, we separate the filter from its filter base. Clean some fuel and the hoses. We also clean the separator bowl. Here we are removing the fuel suction screen to check if there's a blockage in the line that causes the low power of the engine. To remove this, as you can see, the screen is clean and no blockage. After cleaning, we put it back to its original place. Return this lock. Next is to remove this inline filter that serves also as a water separator. After closer inspection, I found out that this inline filter is clogged or restricted, so I replace it with brand new. I also check the refill screen if there's any sign of contamination or debris. After cleaning, I put it back and return the cap and tighten it. This time I replace the filter with a brand new filter and install it in the filter base. Tighten the lock bolt. Turn on the key switch to start priming. Clean the filter and then observe for any leaks, and if there's none, then we're good to go. Thank you guys for watching.
Dugay na kayo nakauna, kaya na regular na gito.